Hello students of class 6, once again I am Sudhir and welcome back to my video. In this video I will start a new chapter, chapter number 10. Chapter number 10, maturation. Okay. So maturation is about measuring the line, measuring the area, measuring the uh, region enclosed by the lines of the figure. So in maths, mainly we are discussing about different type of figures like rectangle, square, or circle, or triangle like this. So what happens? This all figures are having their perimeter and their areas. So in this chapter, we are going to study about how to find out the perimeter of different shapes, how to find out the area of different shapes. But before that, we will try to know about the area and the perimeter, or the perimeter and the area. First of all, we will try to know what is perimeter of a shape. Could be any shape, okay? Could be any shape like this, like this. Suppose this is a shape, and you see in this shape, you will have that a line just running through its edge, isn't it? This part. This is a figure. It's called irregular figure. This irregular figure is having its boundary line. The line you can see here is called its boundary line. And this boundary line starts from a point. From this point, and just you continue counting, or measuring, and come to the same point again. That total length or total distance of the boundary. The total distance of the boundary is known as the perimeter. What is the perimeter? The total distance of boundary of any shape B-O-U-N, boundary of any shape is called perimeter. So this is the boundary of the shape. The total distance of the boundary is called the perimeter. Okay. Now, see, this is about some irregular shape. Anyway, maybe shape is like this. Maybe this is the boundary. Is the perimeter. The line you can see that is called its perimeter. Here also, this line is called its perimeter also, isn't it? So this is the perimeter. We say it is the perimeter. The boundary line is called perimeter, and this is about the some irregular shape. Irregular shape. But for regular shape, some many time regular shapes are there. Regular shape called rectangle, regular shape called square, regular shape called triangle, regular shape called quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, decagon, decagon. Many regular shapes are there. Okay. So for the regular shapes, they are having its sides. So what is a regular shape? A regular shapes are the shapes which have a regular or with equal sides are called regular shapes. For example, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all the sides are same. So this is regular triangle. We call equilateral triangle. So this is called regular shape, and they have sides. For example, here also, all the sides are same, regular shape. This is called hexagon, isn't it? So like this, regular shapes are having their equal sides. So the sum of the equal sides, the sum of all the equal sides is their perimeter. 1, 2, 3 plus them its perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus them its perimeter. So one more regular square also. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus all these four sides is perimeter. So perimeter of the regular shapes. Okay. So my dear student, perimeter of the regular shapes, what we have to do is that it will be 3 into sides. Here 6 into sides. Okay. Then here 4 into sides. Because all the sides are same. Here all the sides are same. Here all the sides are same. All the sides are same. So we have to multiply with the number of the sides for the regular set. Okay. Now some other sets are there. This is from the regular set, isn't it? Now perimeter, you know. Next, we study about some more regular sets. Okay. Actually, they are called polygons. Polygons. Polygons are those figures having sides and their sides are closed, not open. For example, this is a polygon. Okay, this is also a polygon. All the sides, it's made up of sides and they are closed. Polygons, isn't it? There you go. So we are going to find out the perimeter of some polygons here. For example, a polygon here called rectangle. 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 Okay. This is rectangle. So rectangle, you see, one side is called length and one side is called breadth. Isn't it? One side is called length and one side is called breadth. So this length and breadth. So what happens? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle will be all will be plus, isn't it? Yes. Here you see how many? Here also length. Here also breadth. So all will plus. We have to add all these four sides of this rectangle, isn't it? That means L plus breadth plus L plus breadth. Now you can see that L plus B breadth plus breadth. So 2L plus 2B, isn't it? From here we can take 2 common here like this and inside L plus B. So this is the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. We are discussing about the perimeter, isn't it? We are discussing about the perimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. We have to add all this, isn't it? And next, a square is it? Square. Square perimeter. Perimeter of the square. For example, square. Isn't it? Square. Yes. So you look like this then. This is S. How much is that? 2 here also, 2 here. All the sides are same in the square, isn't it? Then perimeter. Perimeter of the square. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of the square, how much will be? This S plus S plus S plus S. That means 4S. 4S. 4 sides. 4 sides. 4 into side. Which means 4 into sides. This is the formula to find out the perimeter of the square. Okay. Now, some more figure like this, 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 like this. So what happened? All this side 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. This perimeter of this figure. So perimeter will be 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 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 1. And how much is the perimeter? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 is the perimeter of this. Means we have to add all the sides of the set. Okay, this is what we have. So now we want the perimeter of rectangle. 2 into L plus B, perimeter of the square, 4 into 6. Okay. So my dear student, next with this, let us go to find out the perimeter of some questions. Okay, let's go to find out the solution of some questions here in exercise 10.1. See my dear student, this is your exercise 10.1 here. Question number 1. See all the sides are given here. Measurements. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to add all these sides, and the total is their perimeter. The total length or the total distance of the boundary is its perimeter, isn't it? So you have to add all the sides or all the given measurement here. The total is the perimeter. Please do this yourself. Okay. Now I will start with question number 2. In question number 2, it's saying that a lid of a rectangular box. Okay, the lid of a rectangular box of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all around with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So this is the answer for this question number 2. Please note down this question number 2, and I'll go to some other questions. Okay, I'm leaving some questions for you to do. Okay, let's go. Hello, my dear, and next question number 5 we have. So other questions I'm leaving for you to do. They are very simple. Okay. So question number 5 is saying that there is a rectangular length and it has dimension of 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. That means the length of the rectangular length is 0.7 kilometer and the breadth is 0.5 kilometer. And it's saying that means what condition is giving there, that is the land is going to be make fencing there. What you say in Hindi, what you say that it is kind of bera, isn't it? You know what is that? Fencing, okay, with the wires. So while doing the fencing, what happened? They make 4 rows of the wire to fence the perimeter, to fence the boundary, isn't it? So the boundary is the perimeter. So first of all, we find out the perimeter of the land and we'll find out the the total length of the wear by multiplying number of rows. Only one will be the perimeter, isn't it? But there are 4 rows, means the perimeter will multiply into 4 times. We'll find out the perimeter of the land, then we will multiply with the number of rows of the wear. Okay, so all the boundary will be fencing with the wear, isn't it? So 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are there to fence the boundary of the land, which is in a rectangular shape, and also having the length 0.0 kilometer and the breadth 0.5 kilometer. So first of all, what we have to do, we will find out the perimeter of the rectangular length, means perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle. Direct I am coming to the rectangle because rectangular length. Rectangle length is equal to L into twice 2 into L plus B, isn't it? That means 2 into L how much? Then is 0.7 plus 0.5 kilometer, isn't it? Yes. Then we have here 2 into how much? That is 1.2 kilometer. That is 2.4 kilometer. So 2.4 kilometer is the perimeter of the rectangular length. Means in a total boundary, the length, total distance of the boundary, total length of the boundary, or total distance of the boundary. Isn't it? So one row, one single row, this much of kilometer of where we are. And for 4 rows, how much will be there? So we have to multiply it into 4. Okay. So therefore, total length of the web for fencing, okay. Fencing will be 4 into 2.4 kilometer. That means 9. So you multiply this to how much you get here? 2.4 into 4. 4, 4, 6, 1, 8, 9, 9. 9.6. It is 9.6 kilometer of this was where it's required. Okay. Please note down. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Student, next we have question number 8. The other questions are just left there for you to practice. They are very simple. Okay, just to add all the sides only, easy to find the perimeter. Now, here question number 8 is to find the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. What is a regular hexagon? Do you know what a hexagon? Hexagon is a set having 6 sides, isn't it? 6 sides. Okay, and this 6 sides all will equal to one another. This will equal to this side, this will equal to this side. All the sides will be equal. All the sides will be equal, and therefore it is called regular hexagon. So here what happened? Each side measuring 8 centimeter, all 8 centimeter. All are 8 centimeter. How many 8 centimeters will be there or are there for this figure? There will be 6 8 centimeters are there. For there are 4 into 7, 6 sides. So there are 6 sides. So for that you are going to multiply this 8 with 6. One side equal to 8 centimeter and all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal, therefore it is called regular hexagon. Hexagon means where there are 6 sides, isn't it? So therefore, solution. Okay, the perimeter of a regular hexagon equal to 6 sides. How many sides are there? 6 sides into 8 meter. 6 8 how much? 48. So this is the answer. Okay. 6 why? Because 6 sides are there. Why you have to multiply all? You can add all this 8 because don't need to go for adding all this 8 again and again. Why? It already mentioned that regular hexagon. 6 into 8 it is 48. 48 meter is the perimeter of the regular hexagon. Okay, like this. Let us go to the next question. Hello students, next question we have question number 10. And question number 9 and 10 are just same. Okay. So I'm just leaving this question number 9 for you to practice with this question number 10. I'm leaving this question number 10 for you. Okay. So the perimeter of a regular pentagon. You know how much the pentagon is there? 5 are there, isn't it? 5 sides are there, regular. All the sides will be the same, like regular pentagon, isn't it? So solution you see in the solution. Okay. In the solution, is saying that perimeter of regular pentagon will be, how many sides are there? 5 regular sides, 5 same sides are there. 5 into sides. Yes or no? 5 to sides, isn't it? But we don't know what is the side. We are going to find out this sides. Sides we are going to find out, isn't it? Sides we are going to find out. We are going to find out. So what is side we want, isn't it? Side you see here, we are going to find out side. So what happens? Implies that perimeter of a regular pentagon is equal to 5 into sides. That means perimeter is given there how much? 100 centimeter equal to 5 into sides. Okay, that implies that this 5 will bring here, then 100 centimeter will divide by 5 equal to sides. So therefore what happened? Side is equal to not sides. Okay, sides should not be S here. 5 into side. So how much the side? The side will be 100 centimeter divided by 5 centimeter. Isn't it? 100 centimeter divided by 5. How much there? 20. So side is equal to, one side will be equal to 20 centimeter long. Isn't it? So a side is 20 centimeter long. Like this you can do. Okay, this 5 will bring here and it will divide in here. Okay, same way you do question number 9 also. Okay, let's go to next question. Hello students, next question we have question number 12. And 11 is also same like that question number 10 only, but 3 questions are there in 11. Okay, to find out for the square, to find out for rectangle, to find out for the this pentagon, hexagon. Okay, just you follow the same method. Okay, for the perimeter you have to find out the side, isn't it? Now, question number 12, here is also same like that, but tell different. I'll show you. See, the two sides of the triangle is, how many sides are there? There are 3 sides of the triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, isn't it? So one is 12, one is 14 given here. So other one we are going to find out. What is the third one? So what if when the perimeter is given? The total length of the 3 sides is given, so from there we have to find out, isn't it? So here we know that sum of 3 sides will be the perimeter, isn't it? Perimeter. Yes, okay. Sum of 3 sides of triangle is the perimeter of triangle. Isn't it? Perimeter of triangle. So implies that sum of 3 sides 12 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus last third side we don't know that what centimeter is there. Let us say x centimeter. Okay, x centimeter. Then equal to perimeter. How much perimeter? You know here 36 centimeter, isn't it? 36 centimeter. So now next step we have to add these two. How much we get here? 12 plus 14 is 26 centimeter plus x centimeter is equal to 36 centimeter. So now we are going to find out the x centimeter. X centimeter, how much will be there? X centimeters is equal to, or you say x, okay, no centimeter here. X, then x is the third side. X. We are going to find out the value of x. X equal to 36 centimeter minus 26 centimeter. Then x is equal to how much? So find out to see this 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter is the length of the third side. Therefore, the length of the third side is 10 centimeter. Okay, now let's go to the next question. So my dear student, with this we come to the end of today's sessions, and the remaining part of the question I will show you in other video. Okay, in the next video. So we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, have a nice day, all of you, and take good care. And thank you once again for joining me and watching this video. Bye bye, all of you.